Good morning, everyone. This is Ashrit, and today I'm going to tell you about my project, AutoFarm, humanity's first ever fully automatic and affordable agricultural robot. When presented with the current food production system, one cannot look past how broken it is. We have surrendered our knowledge and control over how our food is being produced, and as a result, we are destroying our health and our environment. So I came up with an idea of new paradigm of food production. The idea lies at the intersection of automation and small-scale polycrop farming. We are introducing AutoFarm, humanity's first ever fully automatic and affordable farming robot. People can leave their plants and go out for a vacation, while AutoFarm moves around XYZ space day and night, 7 days a week, growing food for you. People can rest beside AutoFarm sow seeds and waters them efficiently based on soil condition and local weather. AutoFarm is 1.8 meters long and 1.2 meters wide. So AutoFarm can grow a wide varieties of crops all in the same area and at the same time. Growing many kinds of plants at once, the garden will benefit from the natural advantages of polycrop farming and crop rotation, while you and your family will gain from a healthy and varied diet. With soil sensors, AutoFarm can show you that the soil is dry and waters them automatically. With AutoFarm, your garden will flourish, your plants will thrive, and you and your family will gain access to fresh fruit grown in your backyard. This is automatic plowing machine. It plows the field uniformly. The process starts with the automatic plowing machine. After the field is plowed uniformly, the soil seed dispenser comes into its role. It places the seeds uniformly so the plants will grow with more comfort. We also have watering nozzle which waters the plants whenever the soil is dry. We also have an automatic crop harvester which cuts the crops and keeps it aside whenever the crops are fully grown. We also provide external fans and artificial light for 50% faster growth in plants. AutoFarm also monitors your plants and notifies when it is fully grown. It also consists of a solar panel which generates electricity. AutoFarm is 1.8 meters long and 1.2 meters wide. It is perfect to start in a small place. It can be placed outdoors, in a greenhouse or even on a rooftop, and AutoFarm takes less than $70 to build. The unique features of AutoFarm are: it is fully automated, it has an automatic growing machine, it has an automatic crop harvester, automatic water regulator, automatic seed dispenser. It has solar powered lighting and natural electricity, vertical wind turbines. It has artificial lightness for faster growth of plants. It has external fans for maintaining temperature and to make the plants grow faster. The advantages of AutoFarm are: it has low cost service, it can be implemented in small scale and large scale. It is cost effective, enhances 50% faster growth in plants than any other traditional method does. We have used 3 MRT3 motherboards, 3 servo motors, 9 DC motors, 2 IR sensors, 1 motor pump, 1 solar panel, 25 LEDs, 4 battery cases, 1 MRT building blocks, 6 fans, 1 CTA sensor and 2 touch sensors. Everyone has problem with money or time, and many people suffer without nutritious food, which is UN's first and second goal. So we came up with an ingenious idea, AutoFarm, humanity's first ever fully automated and affordable agricultural robot, which grows the plants automatically and 2 times faster than before. AutoFarm is very cheap and any common person can afford it. This is the code for LED automation. Whenever there's light, the LED turns off, and whenever it's dark, the LED turns on. This is the code for automatic watering of plants. Whenever the soil sensor detects that the soil is dry, the motor switches on and waters the plant. And whenever the soil has more water content, the motor switches off. This is the code for automatic seed dispenser and plant monitoring. This is the code for sensor-based slider, which is on the top of our project. This is the code for automatic plowing machine. This is the code for automatic crop harvester.